Hey guys, so before we jump into today's video, I want to let you guys know that we are restocked on MariamHampton.com. So some of your favorite hair growth products are back. Our maximum strength moisturizer is back, as well as our bonnets and our brushes. And we are also having a March Madness flash sale right now on our site where you can get 20% off using the code MADNESS. So head over to MariamHampton.com and take advantage of our sale. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I deep condition my hair this week using fresh aloe vera and how you can potentially double your hair growth using this technique. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to need for this treatment is aloe vera, and this is the aloe vera leaf that is straight from the plant. You can purchase this at most local grocery stores or even on Amazon. So I'm back to doing my weekly deep conditioning treatments, and I love incorporating aloe vera into my hair treatments because it's absolutely amazing for the hair. It's an amazing natural hair conditioner. It has something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth, and it also has tons of proteins, vitamins, and minerals that will help nourish your follicles. So it's pretty easy to do. All you're going to do is cut the aloe vera open and get all of the juice and gel out of the aloe vera leaf. You're going to put all of that into a bowl, and you can use either a knife or a spoon. It's pretty easy to get it out of the leaf. So once you get it all out of the leaf, you want to keep the leaf as well because you're going to be rubbing the leaf on your scalp later. The next thing you're going to need for this treatment is the yolk of an egg. Egg yolks are great at moisturizing dry natural hair. Egg yolk is also rich in vitamins that can help your hair resist damage. It has vitamins such as A, E, and biotin that are essential to healthy hair growth. And lastly, you just need a few drops of the Mariam Hampton hair growth oil, and this is a combination of 12 of the most potent hair growth oils to help promote healthy hair growth. And this is how your fresh aloe vera treatment will look. To apply this treatment, you're going to go ahead and put your hair into sections, and it can get a little messy, so I do like to apply it while in the shower. Put this treatment all over your hair shaft, focusing on your roots and your ends. Once you're done applying the mixture to your scalp and hair, go ahead and put on a shower cap or a plastic bag and leave this mixture on your hair for at least 25 minutes. Once the 25 minutes is up, you can go ahead and wash the mixture out of your hair. Use cool water and shampoo. Do not use hot water because the hot water can potentially cook the egg into your hair, and you don't want that. Then you can use our Maximum Hair Growth Daily Conditioner and style as usual. So this is how my hair looks after I wash out the treatment, and this is how my hair looks when it is dry. And I actually don't have any product in my hair. I just left a little bit of that conditioner in my hair. So that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Mariam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth. You shop all your hair growth needs at MariamHampton.com, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!